The KTM 300XCW Hardenduro has rolled out of pitlane and onto the prologue startline. Based on the all-new KTM 300XCW, the KTM 300XCW Hardenduro sets itself apart, bristling with an exclusive Hardenduro package. Hardcore protection parts, pull straps, CNC-machined components, not to mention hand-adjustable closed cartridge forks, and a totally unique graphics kit makes this the ultimate ready-to-race package for tackling the world's toughest championship. LED headlight features a completely new LED headlight unit and light mask. Graphics celebrating the toughest races on planet Earth features a loud, proud graphics kit. Engine. This new 300cc 2-stroke powerplant not only brings a new choice into the E3 Enduro category, but remains the ideal choice for enduro riders wanting maximum power and torque at the least possible weight. Selectable engine maps. Designed for easy operation, the newly developed map select switch comes standard, and allows for the easy selection of two unique engine maps. Frame. All new gloss orange powder coated frame providing exceptional rider feedback, energy absorption, and high-speed stability. Subframe. A new ultralight subframe takes charge at the rear of the main frame, featuring a two-part polyamide and reinforced aluminum construction. Handlebars. Held in place by a set of CNC-machined triple clamps, the handlebar. Front suspension. An all-new 48mm WPX-ACT closed cartridge spring fork finds its way into the KTM Enduro lineup for 2024. Rear shock. WPX-ACT updated PDS rear shock concept sees a new shock mount that significantly improves the anti-squat behaviors of the chassis. Swing your leg over the KTM 300XCW Hardenduro and you're met with a custom-designed seat. Wheels and tires. Full factory wheelset made up of high-strength black DID alloy wheels coupled to orange anodized CNC-machined hubs, black spokes, and orange aluminum nipples. These are wrapped in a set of ultra-grippy Dunlop AMX33 front and Dunlop AG81 rear tires. Exhaust. Binging the brap. Thanks to the KTM 300XCW Hardenduro compact engine design, the header pipe is designed with the target of achieving more ground clearance.